Good morning. I am incredibly excited today because for the first time on this trip I'm going to be doing a cooking class, and it's the Bees Market cooking class. Here we go. We get to try, we get to make a few dishes. We're going to go to the markets and explore and learn about all kinds of Vietnamese food. So I'm in Hoi An, which is quite famous for its cooking classes. So this is one of many that you can do here. And really excited to get down to the markets, kind of learn a bit more about the ingredients. And it's not just me, I've got my mate Chris here, who I've been travelling down the coast with, so he's a chef as well.
You know, just one tree, one prawn.
Or it's been around for...
Around, that depends, you know. Lot of this, shallot.
This is
a sweet, sweet sticky rice cake.
Sweet sticky rice cake?
Sweet sticky rice cake. Maybe until this one, it takes around 3 months. But every day after you will try.
Yes.
Amazing.
Try to make that after. Yeah.
Amazing. Brilliant.
This is the right technique. Hold on, slowly. One. That's the right technique.
So no
okay?
back and forth.
So after when you have it with that, you can make faster. Okay?
It's sticky. Yeah.
Okay.
I got coffee.
Okay? Yeah, do your thing. That's one. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's the right technique.
Oh, good. The concentration on your face.
Yeah, you know the right technique.
Later, the steel.
Yeah.
Andrew?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you go.
Go on.
all good.
Good?
Easy for you, huh?
Happy with that?
Wow.
Wow, I got a wow.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't even know about holding them.
I can get a job here. I
I didn't say that to me.
30 minutes. The next 15 minutes. Rồi đưa luôn cái máy vào này.
Đưa nó lại hả?
We order like 3 circle oil. Pour around into your pan. Spring onion and shallot. Put all the spring onion and shallot. Stir. 1 pinch black pepper. Okay, sir. for the soup. The soup is ready to serve.
Excellent. Oh, look at the chef. That's the chef in you coming out there, mate. Look at that. Bit of sesame oil. Master
It's all
chef.
gonna sell.
Awesome. So that's the first dish done. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful prawn, mousse, dumpling, cabbage dumpling soup. So much flavour in it just from...
Like prawn toast. It's the same.
I mean, would you, yeah, I like it with cabbage. I prefer that.
That prawn dumpling.
Delicious.
Isn't it? So much, such a clean prawn flavour.
I like the texture.
Okay, round two.
So for the next one, we continue for the chicken marinade. So in two things, right? Just like the medium size because we need to powder later. And when have you powdered? When your oil is hot enough, just put all the shrimp and pork into your oil. Hold the bowl with the batter on your hand. Yes. So it's not with the same ingredients, same rice flour, but they use with a different style of pan, so they call it a different name.
This looks very good.
Oh, ready? Now, I would love to have you
Oh,
slice
that
the
looks good.
pancake on your rice paper first.
A little.
Oh yeah, got a nice...
Okay, that's good. For sure, when you order this from the restaurant or the Indian fish sauce or Vietnamese fish sauce, and make sure when have you buy your bottle of fish sauce, if you see the color is that should be clear. Yeah, the color in your bottle of fish sauce should be clear. It's not too dark color. It's the good one.
The Vietnamese one we get in the UK most of the time.
Some nice crispy. Okay, so the last dish is a mango salad, and that's going to go with the grilled chicken that we marinated earlier.
Easy to powder garlic, shallot, ginger, or lemon wrap. Easy. Because you can use this knife. If you like, we can
really enjoyed that. Great to cook. The food was just absolutely beautiful. As you can tell, I'm absolutely stuffed, but so good. to cook and to learn more about the Vietnamese food. Great going to the markets this morning, and we just got to ask so many questions, and he just, you know, he was so good taking the time and explaining everything to us. So yeah, really pleased. I'm really looking forward to being able to take this stuff back and to try some of it at home as well, because the recipes were simple, you know, and it's ingredients that we can get back home. So it's definitely, you know, friends and family will be having a Vietnamese night